Hey, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Amir Isaacs, VP of Partnerships at EndoTech, and today I'm going to show you how to access your crypto elite powered by EndoTech automation. So first, this partnership is exclusive for the retail market, and EndoTech works directly only with high net worth individuals. Therefore, in order for you to access EndoTech on a retail plane level, you're going to have to be a crypto elite member. That means you have to have an elite level of subscription with iGenius. Once you've done that, you click on My Product, Partnerships, Crypto Elite powered by EndoTech, where you will have access to our academy and to our algorithms. You scroll all the way down and click on Create EndoTech account. Once you've clicked on I understand, you're going to be directed to the registration page. EndoTech will recognize your iGenius member ID and your subscription level, and you can start registering. You're going to have to put your actual email, as it's going to send you a confirmation code. Once you've submitted it, you're going to create your password. You're going to click on confirm. And now you have access to EndoTech AI crypto automation. I highly recommend to start with either Bitcoin beta or either Ethereum beta. These are very safe, conservative strategies that will buy low Ethereum or Bitcoin, sell high, and convert back to stablecoin. In the background, the orange graph is how well buying and holding has been in the last 2-3 years, and the blue graph shows how well our algorithms did. We're fully transparent with our results month by month and our trading history. Again, what we're trying to do is we're trying to have you on a stable coin. We're trying to buy low, sell high, and protect you back in a stable coin. We compound that, and over time, the effect is massive. This is high risk, high reward markets. Enter at your own risk. But what we're doing in the long run is we're helping people enter and take advantage of this high volatility market, and we're trying to protect them as much as possible by being on stable coin. I'm looking forward to seeing as many people using our algorithms. And if you are interested in learning more about EndoTech, I highly recommend to follow us on Telegram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.